Okay guys, so it's time to start cutting on the frame. So if you're a purist or really care about making an original, probably time to look away. This bike, it would have taken a fortune to get it back to original exactly, so I'm making it a cafe racer. It's my bike. If you don't like that, then anyway, the first thing we're going to do is cut off this hoop right here. So I'm going to cut off the back of the frame rail, because this hoop will be going in. It's pretty much about right there. So I'm going to cut this off so I can cut it off right there. Here we go. So there's a brace right here. It's right at the back of the frame, so I'm probably going to cut it right there on that brace. Or right behind it, rather. The same on the other side. Okay. Now let's see if we can get this a bit closer now. Okay. Now we'll come in and grind this off real quick. Okay, so we got that cut off now. So Chelsea's kind of getting ready to go. We're also not going to need the seat mounts anymore because the way the new seat is. So I'll go ahead and hopefully get rid of them. I got a little bit more than that than I wanted. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and get rid of some more of these tabs, these three right here, and maybe some of the inside ones, we'll see. There's one weld here on the inside that we'll cut through, then we'll cut right under the weld on the back, or right kind of into it on the back, so we can get those off with as little as possible. The middle one's kind of the opposite. that part's done. Okay, so we've got the frame fully cleaned up pretty much now. Got a little more grinding to do down here on the bottom, but I'll do that when I flip it over. I think I'm gonna leave that brace in place, so now we can get ready to install the rear hoop. Okay guys, it's time to start welding this together rather. I'm using TIG because that's what I have. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I've already measured how far these will go down into the into here. Because of the curve, they won't go that far, so I've already put them there, and I drilled some holes in the frame, so I'm gonna spot weld that so it doesn't move any further. All right, here we go. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and fit this in. It's just basically gonna go on there. Here we go. So now I'll go ahead and start welding this on. Okay, I started welding that on, but in typical welding fashion, I ran out of gas, so I got to go to the welding supply store. Then we'll finish welding this all the way around. Yeah, we're not going to zoom in on those too much. Not awful, though. And then these pieces, which I cut off of the original frame, are going to go right in here and kind of box it in a little bit. Have to kind of adjust it and all that because it curves, whereas it didn't before. But we'll get that put on after this. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish welding the frame back together. I got this first piece on here, so we're gonna go ahead and tack it.
Okay, so now I've got this done. So the hoop's installed, definitely not going anywhere. I was trying to kind of keep it looking somewhat factory, so I'll probably come in here and clean it up now with a grinder and then continue on.